So this is some strange radio interference that I'm having. I don't know, not really interference, but something I'm picking up. I'm not sure what it is. Sounds like beeping and communication. Maybe of airplanes? I'm not even sure. Might be airplanes. I'm pretty sure it might be airplane communication. Or something. I'm not sure. But it's really heavy around this area. Try it with sideband. This is like scrambled data communication or something. I'm not even sure what this is. If you could please tell me what this is in the comments, or if I can find out what it is, I'll leave it in the title. But just picking this up in the 21.0 in the 21.0 something megahertz range. So from 21.0110 megahertz all the way up to 21.080 megahertz. So if you could tell me what this is, because this is like really, really creepy. I'm not even sure what this is, but it's really cool because it's got like data communications or something. I'm not even sure. Not even sure if I'm supposed to be on a sideband or anything, but it sounds like Morse code. But all scrambled. Now it's starting to fade away. There we go.